Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin ECHOMAP UHD 73sv. First, power on your device by pressing and holding the power button for about 3 seconds until the screen illuminates. Once on, you can adjust the display brightness with a quick press of the power button, then use the plus and minus keys to find your preferred setting. Navigating the main menu is straightforward. Simply use the directional pad to highlight options and press Enter to select them. Let's dive into the powerful sonar capabilities of your ECHOMAP UHD 73sv. From the main menu, you can easily access traditional sonar, clear view, and side view views, each offering a unique perspective of the underwater world. Remember to adjust your sonar gain and depth range to achieve the clearest possible image and best target separation. For real-time updates, the AScope feature provides an instant display of sonar returns, helping you pinpoint fish and structure with precision. Now, let's explore the chart plotter and navigation features. To mark a spot, simply press the Mark button and you can save a waypoint with a custom name. Navigating to a specific location is easy. Select a saved waypoint or manually enter coordinates. For effortless travel, the auto guidance feature can suggest the best path to your destination, taking into account your boat's draft and other settings, making your journey smoother and safer. Finally, let's talk about customizing your device and keeping it in top condition. You can personalize your screen layouts to display up to 4 different data panels at once, giving you all the information you need at a glance. Regular software updates are crucial for optimal performance and accessing new features, so check for them periodically. For maintenance, simply clean the display with a soft, damp cloth, avoiding any harsh chemicals to protect the screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.